Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Anson Pretty. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to find your saved videos or downloaded videos on YouTube. So if you want to find your videos you saved or downloaded on YouTube and you don't know how to do that, I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually find your saved videos and downloaded videos on YouTube. So let's quickly dive right into the video. All you need to do is to save a video first, and just click on a video, and yeah, I'm going to be clicking on the lines and click on save to playlist. Click on watch later, then click on done. So in order for me to view this, to see this video I saved, I need to go to you on the bottom of my screen and click on my watch later. Here you can see the playlist and click on watch later. Here is the video I saved. So that is it on how to view saved video. Or if you want to know how to view your downloaded videos, here you can go on your view. Here you can see the downloads, and here are the videos I downloaded on YouTube. So that is it on how to download and found your save videos on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please do well to subscribe and leave a like on this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.